How to change Facebook Messenger language. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on your Facebook Messenger. You will be prompted to select the language before logging into your Messenger account. But in the Messenger interface, you'll not be able to see the option to change the language. For that, you will need to change the language of your device and this will be applied on your Messenger. To do so, first of all, open your device settings and once you open the settings page, here look for language and input option. You may also scroll down to find the general management option and then tap on it. Under it, here you'll be able to see the language option. You can simply tap on the language now. And here you'll be able to see Add Language option. Tap on Add Language and from the list available here, you will need to look for the language that you'd like to add. Once you find the language that you'd like to add, you can tap on it and once again tap on the language. After that, you will need to tap on the Skip Current and then you will see you have successfully added a new language. Now you can simply tap on it to select it. A tick mark will appear at the right side. Now tap on this apply button. Now the language will be applied to your system. After that, you will need to open your Messenger application and there you will need to wait for a while until the language applies to your Messenger. You may also need to restart your device in order to apply the changes. After that, you will be able to see you have successfully changed the language on Facebook Messenger. So by following these steps, you should be able to change language on your Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.